Want a computer that's powerful enough for work, streaming, and gaming, but small enough to fit in your hand? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025 that deliver desktop-level performance in a tiny package. Let's see which one's perfect for your setup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we help you find the best tech gadgets and devices that make your everyday life smarter and faster. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. KAMRUI GK3 Plus. The KAMRUI GK3 Plus packs Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 CPU with speeds up to 3.4 GHz, 16 GB RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, giving you smooth multitasking for work, streaming, or business use. It supports triple 4K displays, has gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, all in a VESA-mountable design that fits anywhere. Product reviews. Users love its quiet performance, fast boot times, and versatile use from home entertainment setups to office productivity. Pros: powerful Intel N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz. Triple 4K display support. Expandable storage options. Ultra-compact and energy efficient. A perfect all-rounder mini PC that delivers impressive power and value for both home and office users. Number 2. BOSGAME E4. The BOSGAME E4 features the Ryzen 5 3550H processor, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512 GB PCI SSD for smooth, responsive performance. With dual RJ45 Ethernet ports, USB-C, and triple 4K display support, it's ideal for multitaskers and small office setups. Product reviews. Customers highlight its reliable AMD performance, excellent thermal control, and great value for the price, especially for those who need solid productivity and streaming performance. Pros: Ryzen 5 3550H with integrated Vega graphics. Dual LAN and USB-C ports. Smooth 4K triple display output. Excellent multitasking capability. If you want a mini PC that balances power and affordability, the BOSGAME E4 is a smart choice for work and entertainment. Number 3. GMKtec G10. The GMKtec G10 comes with Ryzen 5 3500U, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, easily handling business workloads, media editing, and multi-monitor setups. It supports triple 4K display, 2.5B LAN, and USB-C power delivery, giving you flexibility for any workspace. Product reviews. Users say it offers superb performance for the size, excellent heat control, and solid Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Pros: Ryzen 5 3500U delivers fast performance. Supports triple 4K screens. 2.5B LAN for fast networking. Compact, quiet, and sleek design. A great option if you want a mini desktop powerhouse with top-tier connectivity and reliable AMD performance. Number 4. ACEMAGIC V1. The ACEMAGIC V1 is powered by the Intel Twin Lake N150 CPU, offering 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, and support for 4K HDMI and DisplayPort output. It features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and VESA mounting, making it a great choice for business offices and home setups. Product reviews. Buyers love its snappy performance, whisper quiet operation, and super fast connectivity. Pros: 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD for quick multitasking. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Dual 4K output, HDMI plus DP. Energy efficient with strong cooling. If you want speed, storage, and silence in one mini device, the ACEMAGIC V1 is a fantastic modern pick. Number 5. NucBox G5. The NucBox G5 uses Intel's 12th Gen N97 processor, offering 12 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, and dual 4K HDMI support, ideal for light office work, streaming, and educational use. Its ultra-silent design and energy-efficient system make it perfect for compact desks or entertainment setups. Product reviews. Users mention its fast startup, smooth multitasking, and minimal noise, calling it one of the best entry-level mini PCs for daily use. Pros: 12th Gen Intel N97 up to 3.6 GHz. Dual 4K HDMI output. Energy efficient and silent. Compact and affordable. A great budget-friendly option for those who want performance and portability without breaking the bank. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025. Whether you need a compact workstation, a streaming hub, or a home office setup, these mini PCs prove that big power can come in small packages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which mini PC you'd pick for your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.